In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare versions in Figma. There are two main ways to check what changed in your designs, and which one you use depends on how precise you need to be. First, we'll look at the built-in version history for quick visual comparisons. Then we'll move into dev mode for a more detailed frame-level diff. Start with the simplest approach. Version history. Open your file, then open version history from the File menu by choosing Show Version History. You'll see a timeline of saved versions along the right. Click any past version to load a snapshot of how the file looked at that moment in time. To compare, toggle between versions in the sidebar and watch the canvas update. This is a manual, visual check. There's no automatic diff here. So take a moment to zoom in on key areas, pan around important frames, and rely on your eye to spot differences in layout, colors, typography, or component usage. It's especially useful for understanding broad shifts in the design over time or confirming when a certain change was introduced. If you need a more precise readout of what changed, use Dev Mode's Compare feature. Open the same file. Select a top-level frame or component you want to evaluate, then go to the Inspect tab on the right. Click Compare Changes. You'll see a version timeline focused on that selection. Choose a previous version to view a detailed breakdown, which layers were edited, added, or deleted. A side-by-side comparison of the selected frame versus the current state, and an overlay view with adjustable transparency to help you catch subtle spacing or alignment tweaks. You can also review updated properties and code-related details, which is extremely helpful for developer handoff and for tracking the evolution of a component or screen. Keep in mind that this Compare tool is part of Dev Mode and is available on paid plans, often requiring Dev or full seats. Also, comparisons in Dev Mode depend on the frame or component you select, so pick the right scope before you start. If you prefer a persistent, manual comparison, you can open one version, then another, to preview them back to back. For a lasting reference, duplicate the file at the version you care about so you can keep both versions available side by side in your workspace. With these two approaches, version history for quick visual scans, and Dev Mode's Compare feature for targeted, detailed diffs, you can confidently track changes, validate updates, and communicate design intent more clearly across your team.